Hello, Team K. How are you? Um, yeah, long time no see. I hope you guys are okay and things are going all right. It seems like most of you are finding some time to do the work that I've been setting for social studies. And yeah, I thought might maybe change things up a bit and make a video, just a quick one to let you know what's going to be happening this week. And yeah, just a bit of change of scene from emails and stuff. So, Um, first things first, thought what we could do is have a Zoom catch-up slash classroom on Wednesday morning. So I'm thinking of doing that at 10 to 10:45. In fact, I've already sent out the invites. You would have seen that possibly on your emails. If that goes well and we see a further need for it as well, then maybe we could look at doing it on Friday too. Um, the big news, I guess, is that we are going to be, as of next week, starting up a social inquiry project on the Black civil rights movement. What we'll be doing is investigating a couple of social actions taken by Black civil rights protesters to improve their conditions of life in the southern states where the Jim Crow laws were in place. Oh, there's the rain. So in order to help us with that project, which is going to take us 4 to 5 weeks probably, we're going to do a little bit of background learning on the Black civil rights movement itself. So following on from sort of where we left off with the Jim Crow laws stuff, we will be just looking at generally what were the sort of, the background to the movement and some key figures and that kind of stuff. And then I'll just give you a wee taste with a video and some Google Forms questions on Thursday. So a reading tomorrow, Google Form and video on Thursday, and a Zoom meeting Wednesday, 10 a.m. I think that's about it for now. Thanks, and keep the work coming in. I'll continue to try and give you feedback as much as possible. Please understand that giving written feedback is a lot more time consuming than giving verbal feedback face to face, so I don't get to give you guys as much as I would like, and I apologize for that. But yeah, hopefully we'll find that the Zoom classroom thing might clear that up a bit, so that would be great. Really looking forward to seeing you all again, missing you lots, and all the best. See ya.